Greetings, my name is Darren Rachanan and welcome to our final project presentation. My group consists of myself, King Soon Kit, and Isaac Russell Paulberg, and our supervisor is Encik Faisal Amizal bin Muhammad Ghazi. Let us begin. First of all is product description, a little info about what we have made. So we've made Archive. What is Archive? Archive is a mobile application that implements augmented reality to view furnishing options in a convenient manner. The application aims to be a convenient tool for furniture buyers to preview furniture and for store owners to add furnishing options for their respective stores. Archive allows users to browse catalogs of furnishing options from various stores and then view specific furniture options by superimposing a 3D model within their room through the phone cameras by implementing markerless AR.
Greetings everyone, my name is Isaac, and moving on to the problems and causes, we've identified three main problems that can occur. So firstly, there is a high capital required to run a physical furniture store. So store owners would have to provide electricity bill, they'll have to pay for electricity bill, they have to pay for their workers, as well as other costs that comes with running a physical store such as rent. And next up, there is also inconvenient for customers to buy furniture without visualizing it first in their homes. So that furniture that you're eyeing for may look great, but you never know if it will match your living room's walls and paint and other furnitures around it. So if you were to buy it and it's not matching your house, it'll just be a waste of time as well as a major waste of money. Next up, it is also burdensome for elderly and disabled people to travel to a physical store, as it requires them a great deal of effort to travel in the first place. And as we've seen with the past pandemic and the current endemic of COVID-19, it is just big risk for elderly and disabled people to go out and travel, as they might contract any kind of diseases that might endanger their life. So from the comfort of their home, it is safer for them. So, based on the problems earlier, we've come up with three main objectives that we plan to solve those problems. So, our first objective is to provide an outlet for the store owners to move into digitalization so that they are able to compete with all the online stores that we see nowadays in this era of digitalization marketing. And next up is also to develop an app that provides real-world skill and design of furniture as you would see in a physical store itself. So customers are able to see how the furniture will look like in their home based on our concept of augmented reality that we have implemented. Next up, the third objective is to eliminate the necessity of traveling to physical stores itself, which again is to help the elderly and disabled people, as well as to eliminate possible traffic as well as contamination by COVID-19 viruses.
Greetings, my name is King Soon Kit. For the methodology approach for our project that we use is called the Extreme Programming Model, or the XP model. We have a team of 3 people and we live near each other. Therefore, pair programming becomes possible, meaning that we can discuss, debug easily between each other because we can be physically there for each other, and therefore teamwork becomes much better in terms of developing the project. And in this model, in this methodology model, we have periods of iterations. We have in between minutes, between seconds, between hours, uh, between in a day, or between days, weeks, and months. So let's say in a day, we will be having to program, we'll pair program, we'll have unit testing, we will have pair negotiations between each other, and also we'll have like a stand-up meeting, and meaning that we get to talk, uh, update to each other the progress of what each of us did previously and what we will be doing on that day, and also what we will be doing on in the future throughout the course of our project. And we will be having plans of, let's say, between days we will have like a acceptance test, and between weeks we'll have iteration plans, and between months we'll have release plans that we will be discussed and be executing these. So for the materials, for hardware, we will be using our laptops to write code, to program, to run our IDE, to run our especially our software, um, our IDE called Unity, to develop this app. And for the smartphone, we'll be using, we used Android devices to run our integration tests. For the significant and benefit of our project, we have augmented reality being implemented, because customers and store owners are able to they are able to utilize AR technology on their app to display and show the furniture models from via their camera, and making it like a real life experience. It's an augmented reality. Secondly, our app has multiple stores. We allow multiple stores to promote their products in our app, compared to other AR related applications, furniture store applications. Thirdly, we allow the stores to add their products to their store account, meaning they can upload their products with the 3D models that will be shown in our app when the user wants to see what the product actually is, in real life, in terms of the dimensions and all.
So, after developing our app, we predict that the market potential for this app is to increase the furniture store revenue by capitalizing on the digitalization of stores itself. So, because of this, they are able to compete on the digital platform rather than on the physical platform, where more and more stores are moving away from, so that they are able to have a foothold in digitalization marketing, as well as reach a wider range of audience. Next up, we also predict that our app will be the center point for various store owners to promote and sell their products, as it is easy for them to edit and add products onto the store itself, and it is easy for customers to select the stores they want to view those specific products.
Thank you, Isaac, for talking about the market potential. Next is our demonstration. So let's have a look. This is how our app looks like, the archive and the icon. So let's run the app. First, the customer will be prompted with a login page. So here, the customer can register, and I've already registered my account. So I'm inputting my email and password. We allow users to view their passwords with a little icon on the right of the input field, the eye icon. So next, once we have logged in, we can see all the stores within the app. So let's look at one of the stores, Grand Home. And here we can see all the products that are within Grand Home. Looking at the wooden table, we can use AR, click the AR icon, and we can see the wooden table in our surroundings. So that's the wooden table. We can rotate it, we can move it around, and etc. So let's go back. Once we've gone back, we can add this product to the cart. And let's add another product to the cart. So let's look at the side table. Okay, let's add this to the cart. Okay, next we'll go to the cart page. Here we can see all the orders that we have made, and let's delete one of them. All right, so now we're gonna purchase these two items, and if we go to our purchase history page, we can see these products right there. Okay, so there's also a search functionality, so customers can search up like chairs, and it'll come up all the chairs throughout all the stores. They can even search up for stores. So let's head back out and go to the store site. So for store site, they can register their account, and here I've already registered. I'm using one of the store IDs that we provide. And once logging into the store site, the store owners can see all their products here. So first, let's check the orders. So the store owners, they can check orders. So all the customers, what have they ordered, what are the products they've ordered, and etc. And let's next look at the products. So customers also have a AR functionality in their product, so they can see their items and they can even test it using the AR icon. So here's a chair, they can move it around, etc. So that is all for our demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.
In conclusion, users of our app, albeit store owners or customers, will find that our app makes shopping easier and efficient from the comfort of their home. Furthermore, the hassle of shopping is greatly reduced with the implementation of the augmented reality technology in our app. Thank you.